It's in a mess now, so. Hi guys, welcome again to Estalin Farm Vlog. Today's vlog is on another episode. Yes, I'm about to clean my kitchen. Some few months ago my kitchen was in a mess. Let me say in a disaster, but God being so good, we made it. So I just want to reorganize and rearrange the kitchen, deep clean it very well, and then take away some stuff that I don't need it, because after all my plates, all my glasses, my new stuff were broken, so I needed to get new things, and then take away all the old stuff because my drawer got broken. Yes, so today let's clean and organize the kitchen. But if you are new here, please, the name is Estalin Farm. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe if you're a new member, and thanks to all the support to my old subscribers. Like, the love is massive. I really appreciate. So please watch to the end. I wouldn't love to talk much, but I'll try my best. Okay, so let's get into this vlog for today. So in here I'm keeping or storing the rest of the lunch we had in the afternoon inside the fridge, and then continue with washing of the dishes. Yeah, so this cup is where I used to store my used oil. Yeah, any kind of oil I use, maybe for once, I just keep it inside, then reuse it later on. Yeah guys, this cleanup wasn't a joke. This, I call it deep clean. Yeah. So I was trying my possible best to do this because I had a lot to do. I need to clean upstairs in the bathroom, rearrange the kids' room, because very soon school is about to start, so I need to do all these things before the school begins. So yeah, that is it for today. So please keep watching to the end, and as you are watching, enjoy it, and don't forget to give me a like, comment.
The mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back. Her hands are shaking and her palms are sweating as she says, I don't wanna listen to a word you say, telling me what I can become. And I've been looking forward to this day, the day I prove you since my hair got cut and dyed. And I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands tide. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. We were riding through the woods with our bikes. We got scared when it got darker at night, cause everyone was missing safety lights. So we tried to use a flashlight as a guide. And now I'm standing in an overcrowded train, picturing the times we had as children while the rain is pouring down the windows and the people push their way. I've seen better days. Take me back to my hometown. Take me back to my loved ones. We were kids, now we're all grown. Back in my hometown. Take me back to my hometown. Back to my loved ones. Back to my hometown. Back in my
So I'm about to clean the floor, and this product is amazing, guys. They have it in different colors with different fragrance. It's so good. It makes your home smell really, really nice, and I love it. The scent itself is in 1 in a million. I love it, guys. Anyway, I was able to place all the plates, the remaining plates, inside the cabinet and the cups. Yeah, so I'm done. After cleaning, I realized I was tired, so this is me the next day placing the carpet, the kitchen carpet, and then I have this vase. I'll be keeping it in the kitchen, and then some flowers, because all my flowers are gone. So for now, I'll be using this one. So yeah, this is it for today, and thank you for watching till now. Please let me know how today's vlog is. Leave a comment, like, and let's keep pushing, because I want you to be part of this amazing family. Don't forget to encourage a friend somewhere who need your help. See you all in my next vlog. Kiss kiss. Bye bye. Mwah.